Types of graphic arts.
Engraving is a method of producing prints from metal plates into which a design has been etched using a burren cutting instrument. Engraving is an intaglio printmaking technique that involves cutting lines into a metal plate to hold the ink. The plate for engraving might be composed of copper or zinc. The visual language of engraving is entirely linear. Its lines are distinguished by their precision, clarity, and completeness, traits that produce vibrant and notably bright patterns of mark when printed.
Etching is an intaglio printmaking technique in which lines or portions of a metal plate are incised with the acid to hold the ink. The plate can also be manufactured out of iron, copper, or zinc. To prepare the plate for etching, it is polished first to eliminate any scratches or defects from the surface. Its characteristics, the inherent properties of etching such as the spontaneity of line and unexpected unintended variations in tone or line that occur during printing, appeal to the artist. From the same plate, you can get a variety of prints.
Dry point is a printmaking process in which a design is drawn on a plate with a sharp, pointed needle-like instrument. Dry point involves directly scratching the metal plate and deeper from engraving because it displaces metal rather than removing it. Under close inspection, dry point lines are rugged and natural as compared to neatly cut engraving lines.
Printmaking is an artistic process based on the principle of transferring image from a matrix onto another surface, most often paper or fabric. Traditional printmaking techniques include woodcut, etching, engraving, and lithography, while modern artists have expanded available techniques to include screen printing. Characteristic: printmaking is a process that typically allows artists to make multiple original works of art. In most cases, the artist creates an image on a matrix made out of metal, stone, wood, or other material.
Aquatint. Aquatint is an intaglio printmaking technique developed in the 1600s. It is often combined with traditional line etching or other etching techniques. The process is called aquatint because finished prints often resemble watercolor drawings or wash drawings. The technique consists of exposing a copper plate to acid through a layer of melted granulated resin. Aquatint distinguishes itself by delivering a range of tones that vary not only in value but in thickness as well.
Mezzotint, also called black manner, a method of engraving a metal plate by systematically and evenly pricking its entire surface with innumerable small holes that will hold ink and when printed produce large areas of tone. The pricking of the plate was originally done with a roulette, a small wheel covered with sharp points, but later an instrument called a cradle or rocker was used.